हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू पढ़िए विद प्राची। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के साथ। Hi friends, welcome back to Padiye with Prachi. Day 2 of trigonometry and continuing with the exercises. So let's move on to question number 5 of exercise 8.1. We've been given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Okay. So let's see what is sec theta. Let's assume this is theta. Sec theta. So what is sec theta? It's 1 by cos theta. What is cos theta? Side adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is sec theta? Hypotenuse upon side adjacent. Right? So that means let hypotenuse be equal to 13k. Side adjacent to theta be 12k. So then by Pythagoras theorem, side opposite will be root of 13k square minus 12k square, which is what? 13 plus 12, 13k plus 12k, 13k minus 12k, right? Which is 25k. 25k into, what is this? Why I have written root here? 25k square basically, which is 5k, right? So 5k, 12k, 13k. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is side opposite divided by hypotenuse, 5 by 13. Cos theta is obviously 1 by sec theta, 12 by 13. Tan theta is side opposite upon side adjacent. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta, or hypotenuse upon the side opposite. Cot theta is side adjacent by side opposite. Hopefully this was not too fast for you. I sincerely hope to. Now cot theta is 7 by 8, right? So what is cot theta? Cot theta is side adjacent to theta upon side opposite. So let's assume it is 7k by 8k. So what will hypotenuse be? It will be 7k ka square plus 8k ka square, right? Which is what? 49 plus 64. Root 113k. So what is this? 1 plus sine square sine theta. 1 minus sine theta. But this is actually 1 minus sine square theta, right? It's 1 minus cos square theta, which is, what is sine theta? Side opposite, which is what? 8k ka square upon hypotenuse, which is 113k ka square, upon 1 minus side adjacent, which is 7k ka square upon 113k square, which is equal to what? 113k square minus 64k square upon 113k square minus 49k square, which is what? 113k square, 113 k square getting cancelled. 49 upon 64. That's what it is. So what is that? 49 upon 64. It is what? 7 by 8 ka square, which is what? Cot square theta. Right? So what is cot square theta? 49 by 64. Cot theta is side adjacent का square upon side opposite का square. दिया ही है हमारे क्वेश्चन में, right? Let's check our answers whether what we managed to do is correct or not. 8.17. It's quite correct. Let's move on. Now, cot A. So what is this? Cot A is 4 by 3. Now what is this? One rule which probably I didn't tell you is let me just say that now. Okay, what is it? I'm not sure whether I told you in the last class. Let me just refer the book also for you, for everyone's sake. So there is such a certain term like sine square a, cos square a. What does it mean? It means sine a का square, cos a का square. इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, right? We can write it in this manner. It would mean this only. What is cosec a? It is 1 by sine a. We cannot write it as sine inverse a, but this we cannot write it as like this. This is wrong basically, but this is how we write. So hopefully that has made it clear. So what is 1 minus tan square is? What is tan? 1 by cot a. Cot square a. 1 plus cot square a. What is that essentially? Cot square a minus 1 upon cot square a plus 1, right? That is what it is. What is cot a? Cot a is 4 by 3. Cot square 8, 16 by 9 minus 1. 16 by 9 plus 1. 16 plus, minus 9. What is 16 minus 9? 7. And 16 plus 9, 25. So that's the answer for the first question. Okay. What does this mean essentially if you just look at an angle? A, B, C. This is A. Cot A. This is side adjacent divided by side opposite to the given angle. So that means side adjacent, side opposite. This is 5 obviously. Obviously, right? What you can also do is you can simply say, so what is tan A? Tan A is 3 by 4. That is what I've substituted here, right? No, I think yes. Yes. So what I did was, instead of, so we can do it like this also. 1 minus 3 by 4 ka square. 1 plus 3 by 4 ka square. Which is the same. 16 minus 9, which is 7. 16 plus 9 is 25. So that's the same thing. Right? So hopefully you guys got this, what I've been teaching for this question. I'm just making a little bit space for my second part of the same question. Okay, so the second question is this: cos square a and sine a. So as I said, it seems like this is the right. This is the triangle which we are talking about. So what is cos a? Cos a is 4 by 5 and sine a is 3 by 5. Is this too fast? I think not. This is also the same thing as the pehle wala question. Is it trying to tell us something? Okay, actually the question itself was so funny what I did there. Okay, I rubbed this all off. But that was also coming as 7 by 25, right? So the question itself was this: whether the question itself was this.
Okay, so I think my screen went out. Let me just write it down what I was saying. The question given was cot A is equal to 4 by 3, and we were to prove whether this is equal to this or not, which we proved. Can we prove by this way also? I think we'll be covering this in the later part of the chapter. Basically, what is tan A? If we write it as sine square a by cos square a, and niche 1 plus sine square a by cos square a, it becomes cos square a minus sine square a upon cos square a plus sine square a, and this is actually 1. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. But anyways, that is a later part of the chapter, but I've just told you for a little gyan. Basically इसमें ये use हो रहा है sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. But we'll come to this. I'm just giving you a little bit insight into this question. Let's move on to the next question, which is given in our textbooks. Okay. So question is, राइट एंगल एट बी, ठीक है, tan A is equal to 1/3. So what is tan A? BC by AB. This is equal to 1/3. So if we put this as k, this as √3k, so what will this be? A is equal to 2k. ठीक है. So now the question is, we need to find out cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. Very easy. What is cos A? Cos A is side adjacent, which is 3k, upon hypotenuse, which is 2k. What is cos C? Side adjacent, which is k, upon hypotenuse, which is 2k. What is sin A? Side opposite, which is k, upon hypotenuse, which is 2k, into sin C, which is √3k by 2k. This is 0, right? That's the answer for this question. Moving to the next question. Sorry, folks. It is right angled at Q. PQR. तो यही तो किया था पहले भी मैंने. PQ is 5, right angled at Q. PR plus QR is 25. So let's assume this is x and this is then 25 minus x. So what is, by Pythagoras theorem, 5 square plus 25 minus x square is equal to x square, right? So 25 plus 625 plus x square minus 50x is equal to x square. X square x are getting cancelled. This going on to the other side. 650 x is equal to 13. 1.3 actually, right? No, it's 13 only, sorry. 13, x is equal to 13, so that means it's 13. Then what is, so that means this is PR. So what is QR is 25 minus 13, which is 12. So the sides of the triangle are 5, 12 and 13. I don't know why this became difficult all of a sudden. Sin P. Sin P is 12 by 13. Cos P, 5 by 13. Tan P, 12 by 5. So that's it, guys. That's it for exercise 8.1. We'll do an example and then we'll move on to the new topic. Okay. It's given that tan A is 1. So what is tan A? BC by AB, side opposite upon side adjacent, is 1. That means this and this are equal, right? BC is equal to AC. Okay, BC equal to AB basically. ठीक है. So if BC equal to AB equal to K, so then this is K, and this will be what? K root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. Been there, quick man. 2 into sin A. So what is sin A? Opposite sides upon hypotenuse into cos A. So what is cos A? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is this? 1, right? This is what we had to prove. So I have left certain questions both from the examples and the exercises, right? So hope you can solve them at your end and we can pick them up if needed. Let's move on to the next topic. First is we are finding out, in fact अभी जो हमने किया just question, it was actually similar to this. So if the angle is 45, then we need to find out all the ratios. We know that it's irrespective of the length, it is the value of an angle. So we have to find out all the all the trigonometric ratios, right? So if this is 45 and this is also 45, this is k, jaise I told you this is k, this is root 2k, right? Just now we did. So sine 45, cos 45, both are going to be equal, right? Tan 45, cosec 45, sec 45, cot 45. Got it? Moving on. Now this is an equilateral triangle. Basically the ratios which we are now finding out is 30 and 60. We found out for 45 degree trigonometric ratio for 45 degree. Now we are going to find out for 30 and 60 degree. So if this is 60 and we draw a line perpendicular here, this is 30. If this is side is A, what is this? A by 2. How? Because these are two similar triangles, or these are two congruent triangles actually. So this will be A by 2, right? It will bisect it. So what is sine 30? Sine 30 is A by 2 divided by A, which is 1 by 2. Cos 30, adjacent side, basically what is AD? This is what we took out here. AD is A square minus A by 2 whole square ka under root, which is what? Root 3 by A by 2. What is tan 30? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. So what will sine 60 be? What will sine 60 be? I think you might know already where I am going ahead. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is opposite side, which is root 3 by A by 2 by A. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60. Sixty ka adjacent is A by 2 and by 2 1 by 2. Tan 60, A by 2, sorry, root 3 by 2A by A by 2, which is root 3 by, which is root 3. ठीक है? You would know the other trigonometric ratio also. I'll come to that in a minute. We'll do first 0 degrees and 90 degree, and then we'll come to that. Now, supposing, now this is this, right? So, when this angle becomes, we keep reducing it till it collapses with this, it becomes straight line. That's when we can say that angle A has become 0. When angle A has become 0, the hypotenuse, it's very close to this thing. So then AC is almost equal to AB, right? And BC has become 0. So what will sine 0 degree be? AB by AC. Cos 0 degree is So what is BC? BC is almost 0. What is AB, AC? Almost equal. Tan 0 degree, opposite side, which is BC, which is 0, right? Now similarly, if we are to look at this, now this is some angle. Now we are trying to increase this angle like this. Till it becomes 90 actually. We are making A equal to 90. When A equal to 90, then we see that AB has become 0 and AC is equal to BC. So what is sine of 90? Sine of 90 is BC by AC, which is 1. Cos of 90 is AB by AC, which is 0. Tan of 90 is BC by AB. BC by AB, 1. There's AC by 0 basically, right? So this is not defined. Got it? So then if we are to make a table like this, this is the most important table. So what is sine 0? Not defined, right? 30 degree we did. $60 डिग्री इसी का ऑपोजिट हो जाता है, और कोसेक इसी का ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा 2/3, 2/√3 एंड √3. इसमें 2/√3, 2 एंड 1/√3. ठीक है. व्हाट इज 45 डिग्री? 1/√2, 1/√2, 1, √2, √2, 1. What is 90 degree? Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, tan 90 is not defined, cosec 90 is 1, sec 90 is not defined, cot 90 is 0. So this is the important one. This is something which you have to essentially learn, but how have we learned? By way of understanding it. So hopefully it is not like learning for you. That's what my hope is. And that's just about it for today, for day 2 of trigonometry. Hopefully you understood the concepts and whatever I have taught today. Signing out. Hopefully you understood the concepts that I taught today. आपको सब समझ आया हो. If you have any questions, queries, doubts, you know the drill. Write in the comments below. Write on my social media handles, and I'll pick them up either during a live session or make another video. Till then, Padhiye with Prachi, Seekhiye with Prachi, Janiye with Prachi, and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.